lang ng blood kasi wala ka na mas much. It happens guys. Kasi, siyempre yung blood makapalas na yan. And lahat naman ng bagay, ang gano'n, may limitation lang. So pati yung blood, meron din. Okay? So guys, meron akong dapat matanda sa inyo. So ano yung mga elements or substances sa blood na pwedeng mag-decrease or mag-decrease when it comes to nutritional storage? Okay? I'll just share yung mga... Okay? So tandaan nyo guys, ito aking mnemonics mo, OOLE. Okay? So,
unboxing the box.
Okay? Grabe. Matataas ng hormones kasi sa blood bank, siyempre tumatagal na yan. Yung ibang red cells, iba nasira mo, lies. Tapos lalabas yung data. And of course, siyempre, the electric inside it, so, lalabas sila, kasi nag-lies ng red cells. And of course, yung pH ay nag-decrease, nag-decrease, laki kasi naman. And of course, i-decrease analyze in your nutritional storage. Example, siyempre, ano kaya example po? pH, diba? Kasi as the lactic acid increases, namang the pH will decrease. Okay? About pagkain ng red cells, hindi natin decrease or decrease na rin ay magagamit siya. Okay, so those are some guys, no? And kasama na rin natin, okay? Those are some of the analyzing substances that pwedeng mag-reduce from mag-decrease sa okay, but remember, question na pagkain ng red cells sa kalimutan, glucose para pergasters. So, okay, Doc, move on po. Tayo? Next question.
Clear ko na sir yan. Okay, number 2. Oops. Alright, question number 2 guys. So, massive transfusion.
Then we do the following.
If you know the answer, pakitype na sa chat box.
Kape, amiga. Surprise.
Sir, 92 na tayo. Kunti na lang ako. So far, ang mga answers.
Bye.
Wala ko gusto mong ibang sagot.
Ilan guys, sagot lang. Ilang timer natin ba?
Kahit siguro, sige mag-timer tayo. Sige sir, mukhang dami na nakasagot. Mostly letter A sir.
Tingnan natin Doc, yung action natin.
Okay.
Para ma-discuss ko na rin. Alright. So guys, no, when I say massive transfusion, ito yung mag-transfuse tayo ng maraming blood. Okay? So, ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari guys kapag meron tayong massive transfusion? So, first of all, there will be what? Rapid diffusion and dilution of pigments and plasma coagulation factors. So, guys, what even the coagulation factors, factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, nag-decrease because of massive transfusion. Why? Kasi nga, aside from having the platelet dilution or nagkakaroon tayong tinatawag na dilutional thrombocytopenia. So, dilutional thrombocytopenia occurs kapag, syempre, yung natin transfusion. Nalilimutin ko ito. Ganun lang. So, nag-decrease ang platelets. Nag-decrease ang platelets natin. Nag-decrease transfusion. Then, according to Harmony, pati pala, coagulating factors guys, nag-decrease din. Okay? So, pwede ko yun. Next,
Orange,
kanina,
wow.
sa current sense natin, yung citrate
Very nice.
toxicity.
Ooh.
So, pwede ba, or possible ba magkaroon ng
Cute.
citrate toxicity? Ay, possible ba guys na magkaroon ng citrate
Very
toxicity
nice.
sa massive transfusion? Yes, of course. Kasi remember, di ba? Kanina, number one question. C, PDA, yung citrate. Sobrang daming blood na na-transfuse. Talat mo natin yung
Wow, number
remember
2.
guys, citrate toxicity is of course, marami na masyadong citrate. Ano bang ang action ng citrate? It will bind your calcium, okay? Leading to hypocalcemia. Tapos, possibly, pwede kang magkakaroon doon. And of course, pwede magka-cardiac arrhythmia. So guys, yung sa citrate toxicity natin, tama din yun. Kasi sobrang daming blood.
Wow, number 3.
And of course, ano nga, hypocalcemia.
Number 3.
And do you think guys, may effect yun sa potassium ng ating acid transfusion?
Eh, naman.
Mataas po kaya ang ating potassium?
Oh, I love it.
Diba, kaka-rationalize na natin ng vision of storage. Yung blood,
So nice.
kaya even though matagal siyang ma-store, alam na tataas yung potassium. Okay? Because of lysis. Pero, pag nag-massive transfusion, syempre guys, ang daming red cells mo. Malamang, the more red cells, the more potassium na possible na accumulate. And of course, potassium is leading to hyperkalemia. Okay? Hyperkalemia. So, ano pong answer para answer natin doon?
Pick natin, sir.
Ito?
Ay,
Line.
ano letter dapat, guys?
Ooh. Ooh, la la.
Ay, ito na. Yung number.
Ulala.
Ayan. So guys, ano yung correct answer
Ooh la
natin?
la.
The correct answer is letter B po.
Ulala.
May hypokalemia. So wala namang
Letter A sila lahat, sir.
hypokalemia. So guys,
Hmm.
hypokalemia. Ano dapat?
Hyper.
Kalemia lang. Hindi magde-decrease ang potassium. O, hindi magde-decrease ang
Ulala.
potassium. Kasi sinasabihan ka ng blood eh.
Ooh la
Malamang,
la.
the potassium should increase and not decrease. Yan.
Calcium yung babagsak, tama, sir.
Hypocalcemia. Oo, papayag ako. Pero hypocal, hindi po pwede kasi dapat tataas.
Wow.
Okay.
Alright.
So good.
So, medyo na-tricky yung question. Tricky yung question. Pero guys, platelets, citrate toxicity, and habitualizing factors, decrease sila. I mean, platelets and coagulation decrease. And kung citrate,
Tamang-tama yung
magkakaroon ka
size
ng
nito.
overaccumulation ng fluid.
Chinese.
Okay, Doc, pwede na
I
pinaka
love it.
number 3.
Okay.
Guys,
I love it.
if you have any
I love it.
questions, intervene lang kayo. Type nyo lang. Try namin sagutan sa inyo. Okay, number 3. Which of the following antibodies are present in the serum or plasma of blood group A or A positive, CD4, okay, and PA positive.
Chinese ano siya talaga.
So guys, ano to Yeah. So anong antibodies kaya or
Okay.
antibody na lang sabihin natin yung present.
Okay, okay.
Medyo mahaba-haba ang rationale nito.
Oo nga. If you know the answer, guys, try nyo mag-sagot sa chat box.
Ito, maganda to. Perfect.
So far, ang mga sagot, letter D. Sure na ba kayo dyan, guys? O baka nagkokopyahan na naman tayo?
Wow, wow, wow,
Joke lang.
wow, wow.
Sige, try lang po. Okay lang magkamali ngayon. Kasi kung ngayon kayo magkakamali, at least you learn, hindi nyo na maulit sa vortex.
Yun yung nagsulat nito.
Yun yan.
Joke lang.
Tago natin. Oh, maganda.
Clear na.
Ay, Doc, sige lang.
Yun. Oh, may mga ibang sagot, sir. May nagsagot na letter C. Mayroong letter B. May letter B.
Tingnan natin yun.
Sige. So, next slide ko na ba, sir?
Sige po.
Ay, blanco. So, yan.
Tignan ko to kung kaya yung space.
I
Okay guys,
I
so
love it.
nabanggit doon yung A positive. Okay? Kita nyo naman siguro dati. A
Ayos.
orange plus. Tapos,
Okay, stop.
Printer.
Sa ating break.
Tapos,
Yan ang ating unboxing.
okay guys, if you guys can remember, yun tayo sa topic ng disease. Remember, disease 5, it's a blood group antigen. It's a system. And unique po siya guys. No? Unique ang disease Y. Kasi,
Ganda. Bush.